9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I welcome you to this YouTube channel, Power of Mindset Yields. Thanks for tuning in. And I want to take you through Deriv accumulators. But let me first sign in so that we can go together as I kick the ball rolling. All right. So let me sign in. That is app.deriv.com, and I hit enter. And yes, we are here. We want to log into. We want to open Deriv Trader because that's where we shall find Deriv accumulators. So the moment I click on open, it will automatically direct me to Deriv accumulators. Alright, Deriv accumulator options has become a new and exciting trading opportunity, offering up to 5% compounding profit per tick. As you can see, this is the 5% I'm meaning. And it is a new type of binary options trade. And as long as the price remains within these barriers, you can earn up to 5%, right? Compounding growth rate of the invested funds at stake, all right? So I want you to first remember or take note of these key features of the accumulators. Number one is that you can earn up to 5% compounding return per tick in price movement. Then secondly, we have 3 different range distances available, and what I mean is the low, which is 1% up to 2%, then the medium, which is the 3%, then the highest or wider range, which is 4 and 5%, right? And we shall have something to talk about that one later. And then we also have a minimum stake of $1. So what I mean here, you can even stake $1, right? As you can see, this is just $1. And even if you have like a $5 account, you can be staking $1, and you can make profits as you compound, as you grow your small account slowly by slowly, right? You can trade accumulators every single day, 24/7, 365 days in a year, right? And then the other one is that if the market touches the upper or lower bands, right, or barriers, you will lose your stake. In other words, you'll be kicked out. Okay. So with that one being said, let me take you to the main topic of this video, which is the best 6 strategies to trade accumulator options with Deriv. Yes, if you really come to know these 6 strategies, I'm pretty sure you are going to increase on your profitability going forward. And I urge you, request you, recommend that you practice them first on demo to see how they actually work before you switch to a live account. And you can leave what you think about this video later on in the comment section. Please don't leave before you watch number 6. It is going to shock and surprise you. The first strategy we want to look at is a Bollinger Bands indicator, right? And you look at the cursor where it is moving. If we go here, you can see this is the indicators tab. I want you to click on this indicators tab. Okay, so I want to add the Bollinger Bands. You come here to volatility because Bollinger Bands is under a volatility indicators, and this is the Bollinger Bands. You click there. The moment you click there, it will be automatically added to the chart. Right, so let me click on this X to remove this one, and you can see this is the Bollinger Band, right? So I want to access the other side, which is the right side. You bring the cursor here to these 2 arrows facing forward. Then when I click there, I'm going to be able to see the barriers here where the current market is. So let's continue. So the strategy says that the moment price, this is the price, guys, this is the price, the one which is moving here. The moment it touches this middle line of the Bollinger Band, this is the middle line. The moment it touches the Bollinger Band, the middle line of the Bollinger Band, you buy. All right. But before we go to that, some of you, if you are new to Deriv, this might be a bit teasing. I want you to come first to, because the moment you open Deriv, it will take you to a new dashboard. I want you to scroll down and select Deriv Trader as we began. Click on open. Once you reach here, you come here to select, because you may not be on accumulators directly. So when you click here on this drop down by the forward arrow, you're going to see all this. I want you to select these accumulators, and you can see me, I have already selected it. Under trade types, you can select accumulators. Okay, so now I hope for that you can easily access the accumulators. So the first thing we want to do is to select a trading instrument, or dollar I mean is these assets here. You can trade only volatility indices for accumulators. Okay, so once you click on this drop down arrow, you can select from this list. You can take volatility 10 1s, volatility 10, volatility 25 1s, volatility 25 up to 100. Okay, so the list continues. If I can scroll down, you can see up to all these. You can trade them on accumulators. Okay, so let me take an example. I'm just choose or leave it to volatility 100 1s. Okay, the next thing after selecting the trading instrument or asset is to choose the growth rate. So like here, I will choose 3%, which is the medium level. Choose the stake amount, and probably I can set the stake amount is here. I can choose $100, and then I can choose the take profit, which is the optional. Okay, so the take profit, I can make it $20. Okay, if you want to take to set the take profit, make sure this is ticked. Otherwise, if you untick it, that means you are going to be closing or exiting the trades manually. So I want to set that 20, and that means it will automatically close once I reach there. Okay, so once you have set the take profit, you have identified, or rather defined the stake, and you have defined the growth rates, then you are good to go. All right, but before that, I want you to look at the Bollinger Bands, because the first strategy is how to use the Bollinger Bands. And I said the moment price touches the middle line, we enter into a buy. Okay, now there is another strategy I'll share, because you can see here there is something I'll tell you, but let me not rush. Let's wait and see. If price touches the middle line, we buy. So I'm meaning this line in between the barriers. This is the price. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it has touched there. Let me buy. And make sure that this price does not come to these edges. Otherwise, you can exit. Okay, so that is the first trade, which is complete. Sorry, let me sell. I thought I had already sold. The contract has expired. Okay, so I had closed, and I can see every trade you take, the details will be here. The profit I made is 22.99. So we wait again and see if price touches here in the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, then we again buy. Okay, I'll be targeting 22. You can either close manually or use the take profit. Let's wait and see. Good, it has touched there. Okay, let's wait and see. Alright, so it has also closed at 22.9. Alright, so that is the Bollinger Bands. So can I take the third trade, or it has already touched? Oh, it has touched there again. Let's see. I'm just targeting $20. So let's see. Alright, so you can see I've taken 3 trades, and all of them were winners, which is 22.99 times 3. So how much is that if you multiply? So you are going to find that I have made around over $65 within 1 minute. All right, so that is the first strategy of using the Bollinger Bands. As long as it touches the middle line, you immediately buy. Okay, you can target below 20% of your stake and you are good to go. Okay, so that is the first strategy. Let's go to the second strategy, guys. I hope you have noted that one. The second strategy is using the accumulator stats strategy. And all I mean is that accumulators have a feature that showcases the stats for the previous trades. Okay, and ideally you can use the stats to know how long on average each trade has lasted. Each trade lasted rather, to give you a clue on the number of ticks you should target. Okay, so what I mean here, so this is the stats. You can see the stats are here. And if I click on this upward arrow, you are going to be able to see all the stats. Okay, you can see the stats and you can guess the average. All right, so if you want to do the calculation manually, you can see if you count from this low, these are 10 figures, rather the 10 trades on this line, and even here there are 10 trades. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If I count the column here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so that means 10 times 10, this is 100 trades. Okay, this box shows 100 trades. And if I look at the highest trade had the highest ticks of a trade here, I can see that is 136 if I'm not mistaken, right? And the lowest was 0. Okay, so we can take an average of around 20 ticks, and what I mean around 20 ticks, let me first remove the Bollinger bands. I can click here once again, and by the way, if you want to customize and add the settings on the Bollinger bands, you can do it here on the settings icon, and you can change the settings here. Okay, the period, the standard deviation, the moving average. If you want, you can change it to exponential. Okay, and the moment you are done, you click here on done. Okay, so let me just remove the moving average, rather the Bollinger bands from the charts, and we continue to our next strategy using statistics. Okay, so for example, when I said ticks, like the current trade is in 20 it was 26 ticks, now it has closed. The new one is now on 7 ticks. Okay, this is what I was meaning. So I was saying that once you have already looked or analyzed the statistics, you can know how many ticks to target. For example, the average around here is 20. You can also do it manually. Okay, you can even target 5 as long as you have seen the statistics. So that is the strategy I'm meaning. Okay, so let's now see if we can target less than 20 ticks, since you have known the average. Okay, so let's buy again, and okay, I can be seeing the ticks here. I have bought when it is 14 ticks. Now the moment is 20, I can even exit, or it is already 20. Let me exit, only that my network is a bit poor. I'm supposed to have exited from here. That's why using take profit is very important, guys. All right, okay. Oh, I think our, oh my gosh, what happened? Did I enter a buy? Oh, all right, so I think it closed. Let me go to reports. I will know what happened. Let me go to trade table. All right, so you can see all right, so you can see. So okay, let's continue. Look at the stats, then You see on average, and now here they are reducing. Let me just target. Let me enter another trade. Remember the average is 20. Looking at the statistics. Let's see. $20, we are out. Okay, once again in profit. In your free time, you can even add up all these ticks that were traded, okay, and you divide by 100. Okay, you will get the idea of what we are meaning. All right, so let's go to the third strategy. The third strategy is the percentage of the asset volatility, and this is what I was telling you. So you look at how volatile the asset is. For example, it is good when the asset is on 0.00, right? Otherwise, like this, it is now volatile, it is changing. Otherwise, if it is above 0.00, it is going to be giving you lots of stop out. So let's go to another asset. Let's choose volatility 10 and you will see. Okay, but again, may I prefer when you combine this percentage of the asset volatility with the statistics here, because like if you look here, once again around the average is around 10. Okay, 10 ticks, because the majority were in 20s, 15, 45, 37. You see, so I would prefer that you target around 10 ticks. So let's do that, and we target, since this is not volatile enough, we can see, okay, we can target 10 ticks. This is so far 14. Let's see, 15. Let's buy. So if we target that is 25, by the time it is 25, we can exit. We are looking here, guys. Look at where the cursor is. The moment it's 25, I can move out because I'm targeting only 10 ticks. Okay, so let me say 24, 25, exit. Okay, it had already hit the target because my target is 20. So you can see now how I'm maximizing the profits. Okay, now I'm saying the strategy is looking here at the percentage of the volatility of the asset we are trading. Okay, and ideally all I want you to see is you make sure this is on 0.00, and you can see how wide are the bands, the barriers are. Okay, so this is a bit stable. You continue looking. Otherwise, if it is fluctuating, changing every other time, that is very dangerous. You can have multiple stop out. So that is the strategy. Let's continue to the fourth one, which is breakout strategy. Okay, so this is where you wait for price to break out of the barriers and enter a buy, targeting only 10% of the stake. For example, now my stake is 100. What is 10% of 100? That is $10. Okay, so let me change the asset, which is as I was changing the asset, this one had to break out. Even this time it has broken out. So let's change the asset anyway. Let's go to volatility 100. Let's go to volatility 100 and we see. All right, so what we mean by breakout is when this price moves out of either the lower or the upper barrier. The moment it does that, we are going to buy. Okay, and we shall only target 10% of our stake. Our stake is $100, and the target is $10, which is 10% of $100. So let's wait and see until it breaks out. Probably let me increase to 5%. That's when it is likely to be breaking out several times. Okay, it has broken out. Let's buy. I've bought, guys, because it's broken out. So let's see. I'm targeting only $10. Okay, so $10, it has already hit. Okay, now again let me buy because it has broken out. Once again, I'm targeting only $10. Let me see. Okay, once again, take profit hits. Okay, let's wait again for the breakout. We have had 2 wins. Let's wait and see. When it breaks out, you are going to be seeing something like red color. Okay, so let's wait for another breakout and see. Also, sorry, I mistakenly entered a sell, but it's okay. Even that one is a profit, but it's a mistake. I wasn't supposed to enter that one. So we are going to enter the last sell, which is the third one, the fourth one, and we go to the fifth strategy, guys. When the price hits the barriers, the trade has ended and we resume counting what? The ticks. So let's wait and see the last trade. For now you can see like this trade has reached in 64 ticks. Okay, it has hit the barrier, so let's enter the last trade. We are targeting only $10, and this is going to be our last trade on this strategy. Okay, you can see the take profit is already hit of 10.25. okay, so all the trades, once again, if I wanted to enter another one, you can see it has already hit the barrier. It will be enter, but again, now that strategy is done, let's go to the fifth strategy, and it's called LDP Analyzer Tool Strategy. So the next strategy, which is called the LDP Analyzer, can be found on a website called binaryanalyzer.com. So let's go there real fast. Analyzer, binaryanalyzer.com. okay, so you hit enter. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can see you have 30, 100, 10, 25, 50, 75, right? And how we use this LDP binary analyzer, we wait until the number 0 appears here in blue, number 0 in blue on this right side. So once it comes, then we can place the buy, but you have to open 2 screens on your PC. Okay, now this is friendly on PCs. If you're wise or know how to use it on mobile, you can also try it, but it's friendly on a PC. So this is the zeal I was meaning here. I would enter a buy, but now how do we enter? Because you can see I have closed the other type, so that means let me just drag this one. Okay, let me drag this from this end, something like this. Now let me again open another tab. Now I want to use this one. I will open a new user. I was using this email for Google, so that means I have to select a different one. For your case, it would be a new user, or like here, and it will be possible. So let me open this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, something like this. Okay, I want something like this. Let me just make it like this. I hope for it will be very easy. So you can see these are the 2 tabs, and I think I can cancel this one and I reopen it here. It is binaryanalyzer.com. You can see it is this one. So let me hit enter. So for this one, I have to maintain this one for accumulators, because I want to see what is happening here so that I can take a trade. Okay, so this is the strategy. Let me just scroll down. So this is the buy option, right? So I want to see 0 here so that I can enter a buy. Okay, and I want to select, because this is the one of volatility 100, I also select this one, which is volatility 100. So you can see it is selected, the black one. The figures must be changing here. What's wrong? Let me see. Okay, so now they are changing. I think it was network. The moment I see 0, I'll buy. I'll click here on buy. So let me see. 8, 3. I'm waiting for 0. And I'm targeting $10 as well. So you can target any of your choice. But for here, now the 0 is in red, not in blue. So let me target, for example, $50, which is a lot. But for you can target like 25. I'm waiting for 0. I haven't seen 0. And I can leave it to 3%. By the way, I had not told you that. So let me leave it to 3. Growth rate. So I'm waiting for 0 in blue. It has appeared, so let me click on buy. You see the 0 is here. I have entered on this 0. Okay, so I'm waiting to see. The trade is still running and I'm targeting $50. I may even close when it is below that. So we are in $15 guys as profit. 19. Okay, you can see 22, 26. You can see 30, 34, 38, 42, 46, 50. So you can see we have closed at 51.26. Okay, let me carry out the second one, and whether I make a loss or profit, then I'll stop from there. Then we go to the 60th strategy. Okay, let's wait for the 0. This is 0. Okay, it is there. Let me enter. I have entered because of this 0. So let me remove this one. I have entered on this 0 guys. So I'm waiting. We are on 12, 15, 19, 22, 26. Oh, I'm stopped out. I delayed to take the profit, so I'm stopped out. So you can see, so we can call it a strategy. Should I enter another one and we see? Let me wait for another 0. Another 0 in the blue. Let me see. Okay. Let me wait for a 0. But as I said, you can target below 20%. Me, I'm just targeting 50 for now. But the lower the target, the better. Okay. So let me see.
Let me wait and see.
Okay, 0 it has appeared, so let me enter. So the 0, you can see we are on $12, 15, 19, 22, 6, 30, 34, 8, 42, 6, 51. So we have had a take profit and we have recovered the other loss. Okay, in 2 trades, 2 wins, 1 loss. Okay, that's the 5th strategy. So let's go to the 6th killer strategy I promised you, and that is none other than Accumulators Trading Bots. So you're going to see how we can use bots in trading. I already made the first video that showcases the basics of using a bot while trading accumulators. So I'm going to add you more tips and tricks and how to use a free bot that I'm going to show you how to get it. So what you do, if you are using a mobile phone, you can go to Google Play Store and search for binary tool. It is going to showcase or appear and you install it. Okay, either way, right? I'm very sorry, I've deleted this one mistakenly. Okay, I have not deleted. I think I can remove this one. Let me come to the new tab. But before you come to this, I want to tell you that there are very many bots out there for trading. Some are free, others are paid for, but most traders don't know where to get such bots, to use them and the like. Okay, and of course I'll leave the link for you to access the Deriv bots website. and I will show you how to get a free bot. Of course, I'm going to give you one. However, all I can promise you is to follow along and subscribe, because I'm going to be bringing more videos about Deriv, about trading bots. Okay, so let's go. You can go to this website, which is app.binarytool.site.bot. okay, app.binarytool.site/bot. So you hit enter. So once you reach there, you want to sign in or log in if you already have a Deriv account. But if you don't have a Deriv account, that would be signing up. Okay, I will leave the link in the description as well for you to sign up or grab your free account, right? So let's wait for the network to come and we continue. All right, so you see, once you reach here, you need to be on DTrader. We want to go here on free bots. Okay, we want to come here on free bots. Let's first wait for the network, then we go there. Okay, you can see we are on DTrader. Now what's next is go to the free bots, because we want to access free bots. After that, the bot I want to tell you is the crazy one, the killer one I was talking about, is the barriers accumulator master. So you click there, and the moment you reach there, voila, you are going to get the free bot, which is already customized. Okay, so let's see. The market is already live. Continuous indices, then volatility. The asset you are going to be trading is volatility 1S. Now I want to show you something. Everything is already set. All you have to do to change is this one. We are going to be changing the barriers. Okay, so this is 0.35 for volatility 10 1S. I want you to come back here and see something. Let me first take you here. If I go to volatility 10 1S here, okay, let me show you the barriers we are talking about. The barriers are here, so you can see it is 0.334. So the strategy is that when a price exceeds or breaks out and exceeds this level, this barrier, the plus is this one, the negative is the lower barrier. Okay, so we are going to be adding 0.01, which is 0.34 or 35. That's why you are seeing here they set it to 0.35. okay, so if I want to trade a different asset here, for example, I will just choose it and go to volatility 10 as an example. Then I'll come back here and check on volatility 10 the barriers, because those are the ones I'm going to change. Okay, so this is the volatility 10 and I want to see the barrier. So it is 0.334, so it is the same as the other one, so we can leave it to 0.35. If I want to, for example, trade volatility 100, okay, I'll come back here and see what volatility the barriers for volatility 100. okay, so let me just scroll down and see volatility 100 is here. Okay, so we can see that volatility 100, the barriers is 1.103. So I can say 1.2, 1.011. Okay, so let me come back here and set it to volatility 100, 1 point here, 1.11. Okay, so that means the moment price goes below or above, like breaks out in this level, this bot can execute a buy. So all I have to do is to click here on run after all the parameters. Remember, you leave everything to default. All you have to change is here the asset, then you change the barriers, then you hit run. Okay, and this is very good for even small accounts. Okay, because as you are going to see, what you are targeting is very little and it's good for even smaller accounts. Let's go here on transactions. It hasn't taken any trade. Okay, contract bought so far. So we are going to be waiting for the results, and the take profit is actually only $5. The moment this target is achieved, it will stop trading. Okay, so it has already bought the contract. Let's see and let's wait. Okay, and if you want, by the way, to stop it, you can stop it here. I think even if dancer has to leave the stage, we have explored the 6 strategies, and you have seen how massive it has been. The bot automatically had to stop after hitting the take profit. I think I was patient enough to wait, and if you were following us, we began when I had a capital of around $10,000 and 400, and we have gained over $233. Okay, so that's it, guys. I want you to take your time and go through all these strategies, and I'm pretty sure you are going to make money out of this. Okay, subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos. Until next time, peace and love. See you on the flip side. All right.